Hey guys, it does looks like XRP is selling off as well as other crypto. I do think it's gonna bleed, or it's actually gonna fall up until the 46 cent mark, and it's gonna ricochet off that bounce and head right back up. Everything is still pretty bullish. The day chart is still really bullish. The weekly chart is still extremely bullish, and the month chart is just insanely bullish. It actually just started getting super bullish, and I think it's going to keep going from here. The hour chart is actually what started the sell-off. As you guys can see on the MACD, it crossed over and it kept going down. I do think, like I said before on the previous, like a couple seconds ago, I do think we're going to sell off to about the 46 cent level. If we don't stop here at the 54 cents, we are going to go back down to 46 cents, and then we're going to bounce off that depending on the momentum right now. And then we will go back up to the 61 cent level, and then possibly go back up towards 72 and cross that, since we already did shoot over all-time highs of 90 cents. We broke the previous all-time highs and we hit 92 cents. Especially if Bitcoin keeps going up too. I don't think that we're going to stop mooning from right here. I do think a worst case scenario is we drop down to 46, retest, and then we jump all the way back up. I really doubt that crypto is going to keep falling. And I do think that we're going to just kind of keep going up from here. So just a quick analysis on XRP. It's going to be roughly the same thing for all the other crypto. They're all going to be, you know, as far as momentum and movement, they're all going to be moving exactly the same way. BTC will probably lead the way, or Bitcoin will probably lead the way. And then the altcoins will probably catch up about, you know, a week or so after Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin does go back up to 19K and then also break 20K, we're easily going to see a huge run up on Bitcoin. And then after that, I easily see XRP. I already see XRP going to $3 easy. I mean, we already broke the previous all-time high. I do think that we're headed towards $3. You know, I don't really talk about cryptos a lot, but if you guys want to purchase in, I do think right now would still be a really good spot, because if you're purchasing right now, if it goes up to $3, that's like a 6x from here, like a 6 multiple. So just a quick TA. I still think we're pretty bullish on every single chart except for the hour. I do think if we drop some more, I think the worst case scenario is we drop back down to 46 cents. We rebound off that, and then we hit new all-time highs all over again. So I'll see you guys later.